In today's video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best clip-in hair extensions. Whether you have a special event or simply want to experiment with a new look, these extensions provide instant length and volume, allowing you to achieve your desired hairstyle effortlessly. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best clip-in hair extensions. Number 5. Sassina Natural Looking 8A Real 4B 4C Human Hair Clip-In Extensions. Sassina Natural Looking 8A Real 4B 4C Human Hair Clip-In Extensions feature 100% raw, unprocessed Remy human hair bundles directly from one donor. With breathable and comfortable wefts, these Afro coily clip-ins are soft, silky, and thick, providing full volume. The high-quality stainless steel silicone-coated clips offer a tight grip without damaging natural hair. Washable, conditioned, dried, cut, colored, and styled easily, these extensions are designed for versatility. While minimizing shedding after wash, they have a synthetic blend. The pros are: it is 100% Remy human hair, it's tangle-free, and has versatile styling options. The cons are: it has a synthetic blend. Number 4. AmazingBeauty Hair Real Remy Thick Yaki Hair Clip-In Hair Extensions. AmazingBeauty Hair offers real Remy Thick Yaki hair clip-in hair extensions designed specifically for black hair. Each extension set, weighing 120 grams, seamlessly blends into natural hair, providing the desired volume and length. Crafted with premium quality hair strands to minimize shedding, these extensions are easy to wash, dry, and style in just 5 to 10 minutes. The stainless steel clips are silicone-coated and rust-resistant. The pros are: it's 100% Remy human hair. It is easy to wash and dry. Also, it has a Yaki straight texture. However, the cons are: it is too silky. Number 3. Urbeauty Afro Kinky Curly Clip-In Human Hair Extensions. Urbeauty presents the Afro Kinky Curly Clip-In Hair Extensions, crafted from 100% virgin human hair for a natural, healthy look. Featuring a classic triple lace weft design, these extensions add volume to natural hair, secured by premium quality 9-tooth stainless steel clips with silicone lining. Thick and comfortable, these extensions are easy to install without shedding. The clip-in curly extensions can be washed, styled, and colored for a natural look, maintaining intact curls even after co-washing with minimal shedding and tangles. The pros are: it is 100% virgin human hair. It adds volume to natural hair. And shedding-free. The cons are: it is not suitable for 4C hair type. Number 2. Luwigs Afro Kinky Curly 4B 4C Clip-In Hair Extensions. Luwigs Afro Clip-In Hair Extensions are designed specifically for 4B and 4C hair, offering a premium-grade, genuine human hair solution. Smooth, silky, and healthy, these extensions provide a natural appearance that complements your real hair and facial features. They can be highlighted, dyed, or shaped to match your hair, ensuring great quality without any unpleasant odors. While offering thickness and density, there is a possibility of shedding. The pros are: it is made of real human hair. It's suitable for coily and kinky hair. Also, it can be highlighted and dyed. The cons are: it may shed. Number 1. Lovrio Real Remy Thick Double Weft Clip-In Extensions. Lovrio presents the 9A Real Remy Thick Double Weft Yaki Straight Clip-Ins, crafted from 100% unprocessed real virgin Brazilian human hair. This high-quality extension adds fullness and volume to the hair, featuring a double weft soft texture with minimal tangles and shedding. The Yaki Straight natural black hair seamlessly blends with your own, boasting a natural black color with a slight brown tinge. With a net weight of 120 grams and lengths from 12 to 20 inches, the extensions are equipped with 9 teeth clips to prevent shedding. Easily washable, blow-dryable, flat ironable, and curlable, these extensions are tailored for women seeking versatile styles. The pros are: it's chemical-free, it blends seamlessly, and adds volume. The cons are: it has a light brown tinge and dry texture. Things to consider when choosing clip-in hair extensions. 1. Material. Clip-in hair extensions generally fall into two categories: synthetic and human hair extensions. Opt for human hair extensions for everyday wear, as they offer a natural appearance and can be styled and colored to match your preferences. On the contrary, synthetic clip-in hair extensions composed of plastic exhibit an artificial shine and are prone to tangling. They lack the versatility of being curled, straightened, or colored. However, if you only occasionally use extensions, synthetic options may be suitable for you. 2. Weight. Hair extensions are measured in grams, and choosing the right weight is essential for seamless integration with your natural hair. Aim for an extension weighing between 100 to 150 grams for a well-blended look. 3. Length. Consider your height when selecting the length of the extension. For shorter individuals, opt for extensions ranging from 12 to 16 inches. Average height individuals can choose extensions between 20 to 24 inches, while taller individuals may go for extensions measuring 24 to 30 inches. 4. Quality. Invest in high-quality and professional-grade extensions that are durable, tangle-free, and low-maintenance. Quality extensions not only last longer, but also provide a more natural appearance. 5. Color. Choosing the right color is crucial to avoid a mismatch with your natural hair. Ensure that the extension complements and blends seamlessly with your hair color. A subtle shift in the shade can enhance the overall look, creating a beautiful highlighted effect. 6. Silicone lined. Look for clip-in hair extensions with silicone lining. These extensions create a protective barrier between your hair and the extension, ensuring a secure fit on your head. By considering these factors, you can confidently choose the perfect clip-in hair extensions to achieve a voluminous and stylish look within minutes. How to care for your clip-in hair extensions. 1. Regular washing with gentle shampoo. Make sure to wash your extensions regularly with a gentle shampoo. This helps get rid of dirt and oil buildup, which can compromise the appearance and feel of the clip-in hair extensions over time. 2. Avoid brushing when wet. Wait until your clip-in hair extensions are dry before brushing them. Wet hair is more delicate, and brushing it at that stage can cause some strands to tear. 3. Weekly deep conditioning treatment. Treat your clip-in hair extensions to a deep conditioning treatment once a week. It'll keep them looking shiny and glossy, adding that extra touch of beauty. 4. Natural drying on a clean towel. After washing, let your extensions air dry on a clean towel. This simple step can prevent any potential damage during the drying process. 5. Limited heat styling with heat protectant. Try not to style with heat too often. When you do, always use a heat protectant to shield your clip-in hair extensions from any damage. It's like sunscreen for your hair. 6. Use a protective bag for storage. When you're not using them, store your clip-in hair extensions in a protective bag. This helps prevent tangling, keeps them dust-free, and ensures they stay in great shape for a longer time. So now you have it. Follow these tips and your clip-in extensions will be turning heads and looking fantastic for a long time. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.